Hello there, Lucas Carroll here from the Business of Senior Care. Thank you so much for your interest in the course, Conquer Your Annual Agency Review. So this is a 2 credit hour course that I'm super excited about. It's coming direct to you for Class B home care agencies, and we got 2 goals for this course. Number 1, of course, that you're always in compliance with the CDPHE regs, and then 2, that you have the most efficient and best use of the way to review your agency on an annual basis. You know, back when I was an agency manager at a home care company in Denver, one of the most frustrating parts was trying to complete this annual agency review at the end of the year, or before the year ended, or sometimes after the year was over, because in the regulations there are multiple different components that need to be reviewed on an annual basis. Policies and procedures, the quality management program, emergency preparedness, all those things seem to be moving parts that were operating at different times. And I just wanted one sort of unified and straightforward approach to knock all these things out at once, and then also just give a proper review of the company and how we did this year, and then plan for the following year and set some goals and set an operating budget in which to share with our team. So that's where this comes out of, is developing this tool in this course so that you can combine all of the things under the requirements that you need to get done during a year for the review, and then complete that in one template, sign it off with your governing body, file it, and then move on to the next year. So what we're going to be doing is looking at the master template first, and what are the different components for the annual agency review, and how do each of the components satisfy the requirements for all the different reviews that need to be done on an annual basis. And second, we're going to be looking at some of the financials, annual operating budget and capital expenditure, and then last, we're going to be setting some goals and looking at some of the things that we'd like to plan for the following year. So I'm so excited for this course to be rolling out, and stay tuned. Good luck to you, and we'll see you on the flip side.